Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel tab and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. First of all, we have to open the app, which will allow us to open also the contact list. Not the contact list, the keyboard. So, for example, the contacts, the browser, the notes, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And right now, all we have to do is to tap on this settings icon in this upper panel. Now let's tap on the languages, and here, this is the list of all languages which we've got currently applied. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So of course, you will find the language you'd like to set here. You can use always the search icon. You don't have to swipe just like I do. And after finding the language, simply tap on it. Now let's pick the region, and here we've got the keyboard types from which we can choose, and depending on the language you will be able to pick from 1 to even up to 5 or 7 different keyboard layouts from which we can choose, which are available. So in order to apply different keyboard type, then it is right here, because usually the first one is marked. Simply tap on the one you'd like to use and untick the first option if you don't want to use it. So it means that I will use only this Urdu layout. So let's tap on Done to confirm, and as you can see, the Urdu will immediately appear on this list of applied languages. So let's go back to the keyboard, and basically here we will have two differences. Currently only one is visible, so the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I can type in English, and after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Urdu one. So as you can see, I can type in it, and here we can also see the second difference. So the spacebar, as you can see, it is not empty. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So we've got the English and the Urdu one. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't want to have two languages added, you just want to have one applied. So let's enter the settings, which are, hello, what happened? The settings here. Let's tap on the languages, and here in this step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Right now we can mark the language we want to remove. So in my case I will remove Urdu, so the English will be on the keyboard applied. Let's tap on this trash bin icon after marking, and as you can see we've got only English left, and after getting back to the keyboard you can see that the spacebar is empty and we do not have the globe icon, so it simply means that we cannot change the language and we've got only one applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.